Greeting to all faculty members, myself Mrunmai DESHMUKH. Today I am going to give a presentation on our 7th semester design project topic campus designing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, I am explaining detail about the site. The site is located at Igatpuri near Talegaon Dam. The location is well connected to the Mumbai-Agra National Highway, which is a huge advantage in terms of transport and convenience. The site receives an annual rainfall of 3000 to 4000 mm, which make it a wet region and with abundance of water. Now let me explain about the terrain. The terrain is a rough terrain with one side having a valley and on another side having a natural dam. It has a lot of contour which make it difficult from design point of view, so I had to level out the ground to short with the level base. The mainly the main criteria was to design a campus with the following feature. Briefly, it has have to 5 colleges with well-equipped library and also mainly student center, faculty housing, recreational center. Secondly, I decided to make a campus a self-sustained one by using the dam water to generate the electricity, also using the windy nature of terrain to generate the wind energy and an auxiliary solar energy source. In this self-sustained campus, the wastewater should also be treated for agriculture purpose and public toilet purpose. Other main feature of the campus would also be covered into the video. Now moving on the master plan. As you can see, I have 4 entrances in which 3 are used for all purpose and fourth one is used for commercial purpose like loading, unloading, etc. The main attraction of the campus will be library, which will be the heart of the campus. Now explaining about the block. The first, understand the library. The whole build-up of library is 60,800 square meter, consists of 5 floors, in which separate floor will be dedicated to each college. Each floor will contain its own reading area, stacking area, a cubicles for group study, and personal reading area. The library is well ventilated and ample of sunlight. The building is isolated from other buildings so that the user will have complete silence. The library primary has a 4 staircase in which one is main staircase and the other 2 are additional and last one is for emergency purpose. The staircase are connected to the lift. In this library, there are 3 small pantry rooms, also with 3 seminar halls, and finally, each floor will have its own washroom area. This is the 3D view of the library. Now moving on the next slide. The next building is for Industrial Design College, which would consist of product design, set design, toy design, lifestyle design, furniture design. Starting from the whole ground floor, it's dedicated to the admin block. This floor consists of conference room, staff room, reception, etc. Also the ground floor has main canteen. The first floor consists of dedicated classroom for each department, also with the separate study area for all the departments. Every department will have its separate entrance and exit. All the floor consist of study area will be at the center of building with 3 entrances connected with bridges. Kindly refer to all the sections and elevation as shown in the sheet. Another section and elevation for the better understanding. There are some 3D views A separate student hostel is given to the building with all the amenities and securities. The next discussion will be on faculty housing. The faculty housing consists of three types of buildings: 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. Every building will have small recreational area in the center. This is also a faculty housing block which shows the sections and elevation for the better understanding. This is the view of the faculty housing which shows the placement of the block. Now, next is University Hostel. Consisting of two floors starting from entrance, we have a warden's office, living room, warden's room, and visitors room. Moving further, open garden court with students room on both sides of court, following with corridors and a central kitchen and mess for all the students living there. The room consists of majority of rooms with double bed and few rooms with single bed. There is a cluster of toilets for 5 to 6 rooms as given to first floor. Every corridor covered with pergolas, and also floor has its separate kitchen and mess. There are some sections and elevation for the better understanding of the hostel. There are some 3D views which shows the placement of hostels on the whole campus. This is the plan of tram stop and public toilet. Overall 7 cafeterias are provided along on the main road, and also tram stop with public toilet attached to it are provided feasible location. And now finally the remaining spaces consist mainly of auditorium and open amphitheater with seating capacity of 8 to 10,000 people. Also there are different colleges in the campus with own dedicated buildings which can't be explained due to the length of the video, and only the mainly buildings are covered in the video. Also, there are some market provided at the convenient location consisting of grocery shops, stationery, medical supplies, etc. Each building have its own parking space. Each entrance are well equipped with security cabins and living room for the security staff, and also the whole campus is under CCTV services. Now moving on the self-sustained part, the campus will have its own power generation plant. The power will be generated by the use of dam water, also known as hydroelectric power generation, which would power all the campus. The second power source will be wind farm, which will be use the windy nature of the terrain. Also there are additional solar farm which would power agriculture land, the equipment needed for the agriculture. All the wastage water and solid waste will be connected to the central underground sewage system in which wastewater will be treated and used for the agriculture and public toilet purpose, and the solid waste will be treated and used as manure. The treatment of wastewater will happen in the solar domes, which, to explain in a simple language, is a greenhouse in which it will be closed facilities, and top will be covered in a glass in which water will be heated due to sunlight, and water vapor will collected for agriculture purpose. Next part is biogas plant, in which the solid waste will be treated and methane gas produced from it can be used for cooking purpose in the canteen or cafeteria provided. An underground water reservoir is provided which will hold the drinking water for all the campus with purification plant, and additional moisture capture techniques is provided considering the wet nature in the rainy and winter season. It basically consists a net made of fine material which captured the moisture in the air, which can be used for drinking purpose. Speaking about the transport and electricity, which is generated in the abundance, can be used for running electric trains or buses, which is also known as trams. And ending this session by thanking you for giving your precious time and listening to the video patiently.